Merry Christmas to you all from the
So today on the wrap, this is Christmas Day, and we're here trying to fix the aircraft and ready for flight. But guess what? Who else do you think is best to fly you on a Christmas Day than Santa Claus? So we good, yeah? Yeah. See our assistant Santa Claus. So I have something to fix. So I'm just gonna tighten some few screws on the tray table. Yep. I just did, and it's time to go. Yeah, it's good. Santa can fly this aircraft. Good. And good.
On the Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to you all from the flight deck.
So peace out. Take care.
That's cool, man.